When you trade, you think it's you versus the market. But sometimes it's you versus the broker. And the broker, they always seem to win. Every time you click buy or sell, there's a tiny gap. It's called the spread. It's so small, you barely notice it. But multiply that by hundreds of trades and thousands of traders, and you have millions flowing into the broker's pocket. Some brokers skip the spread game. They go straight for commissions. A fixed fee for every trade, win or lose. Like a toll booth you must pass, no matter where you're going. Hold your trade overnight. You're not just fighting price movements. You're paying rent, swap fees, interest, a quiet drip, drip, drip into the broker's account. And sometimes they go further, widening spreads during news, adding hidden markups, selling you extras you don't need, even taking the other side of your trade. Because in their world, your loss can be their gain. Forex brokers aren't your enemies, but they're not your friends either. They are businesses. And in business, someone always pays the bill. Trade smart. Know the game.